Giraffes used to be known as camelopards due to their tall structure and leopard-like pattern. The scientific name today has not changed, Camelopardalis. The name was given to these creatures by Julius Caesar, who received a giraffe as a gift and was thrilled with it. After showing it off to the people of Rome, he ended up feeding it to the lions. They are very tall, they don't sleep much. Most of them get around 10 minutes to 2 hours of sleep per day. Even when they get the little amount of sleep required each day, they don't lie down. They go to sleep standing up most of the time. The patterns on a giraffe are totally unique. No two giraffes are ever the same. Their tongues can be as long as 45 centimeters, allowing them to get their lunch from very tall trees. They conserve water very well, mainly because they don't sweat when hot. Adult giraffes only need to find water once a day. They can run up to speeds of 35 miles per hour, outrunning most horses. Their long legs mean that they can cover plenty of space in a short amount of time, making their average walking speed around 10 miles per hour. A giraffe's sharp 12-inch hoof can cause a lot of damage and could even kill a lion if necessary. When they are seen rubbing their necks against one another, they are competing to see who is stronger, known as necking. It is a practice between male giraffes. A giraffe's tongue is blue back to protect it from sunburn in hot climates. These animals often snort and hiss but can also make very low sounds which are impossible for humans to hear. They are able to drink up to 10 gallons of water each day and also get water from the plants they eat, including acacias. A giraffe's heart weighs around 11 kg compared to a human heart which weighs between 0.2 to 0.45 kg. Of all land mammals, the giraffe boasts the longest tail. Adult giraffes can have tails up to 8 feet long. Oxpeckers are birds which feed off parasites on giraffes' bodies. This win-win situation for both creatures ensures that the birds find food and that the giraffes get rid of unwanted parasites. A giraffe can move at only two speeds, walk and gallop. Even though a giraffe has a longer neck than all other mammals, it still only has 7 vertebrae in its neck, which is the same amount as other animals. They have amazing eyesight, which means that they can wander away from one another but find their way back and very easily. Male giraffes and female giraffes eat from different parts of the same tree. This is to prevent competition between the males and females. They are also able to give birth while standing up, meaning that these creatures rarely have an excuse to lie down. Newborn giraffes stand at around 6 feet tall, making them taller than most adult humans. When females need to go and hunt food, one of them will stay behind and babysit the young giraffes. Baby giraffes play together in a cracky for the first 5 months of their lives. Their mothers will usually be out hunting food. The giraffe dance has been popular in Africa since the 1950s, curing and bringing strength to people. The dance consists of women sitting down while men dance around them in a circle. Famous toy manufacturer Toys R Us chose a cartoon giraffe as their mascot in the 1950s. His name was Geoffrey the giraffe, but he was first known as Dr. Giraffe. The oldest recorded wild giraffe in the world is known as Chopper. The blood pressure of giraffes is twice of humans. There are 4 species of the giraffes: northern giraffe, southern giraffe, Maasai giraffe and reticulated giraffe. They have 32 teeth. Their tongues are really long, reaching around 50 to 53 centimeters in length. There is a hotel in Kenya where you can hang out with giraffes all day. The tallest giraffe ever recorded was a Maasai bull named George. Giraffe gestation lasts 400 to 460 days. Their feet are the size of a dinner plate. Their tongues are dark bluish in color. They are found in the dry savannas of Africa. No one has ever seen a giraffe swimming. Their biggest predators are lions and hyenas. A group of giraffes are called tawas. The giraffe's closest relative is the okapi. They can clean their ears with their tongue. They live in herds of about 20.